Tish here from Pierson Motors. This is the 2025 Forest River Wolf Pup 16FQW. Great little couples trailer, single propane tank, solid steps, outdoor speakers, power. There's a fridge here. Keep your beer cold. Back rack, 200-pound capacity. Outdoor shower, water connections, black tank flush, and hot water on demand. Amazing little couples trailer. Walk around queen bed, lots of storage, hanging closets there. Underneath the bed they've changed this, so they have baskets, storage, more baskets. Great little kitchen, microwave up top. Lots of storage underneath here. 2-burner cooktop. Great little dinette with big window, more storage up top there. Again, dual swing fridge freezer. Great size bathroom here. Full vanity, toilet, shower. What else do you need? Come on into Pierson Motors. This is in stock and available today.